Hi there. Okay, so quick video showing you what I had to do. Um, I needed to ultimately give you Cengage Unlimited or have the price go beyond what was still in there. Anyway, that doesn't matter at all. But this is the access code that you originally put in, which was a mistake. I'm not even sure how that was in there. But at any rate, that's the access code you put in, which wasn't correct. So it didn't quite give you access to this personal finance. So what I had to do is because I didn't want to go through tech support and wait forever, I had to add an access code for this other book here. So ignore these. They have nothing to do with you. This is your course here, or you just go right here to that Accounting 30 course and you'll get in this way. Now, because I've put in those codes now, the subscription is $0. So you'll want to in the next couple of days, actually before this trial expires. When does that trial expire? 12 days. So before the 12 days is over, you want to actually click buy from zero and follow through with the prompts and complete that. It's not going to ask you for a credit card or anything, but that you want to upgrade to Cengage Unlimited so that you have it. So that if you have another Cengage course or if you add a course before the end of the 4 months, that's included. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope that's clear though, and I'm sorry it makes your homepage a little bit messy with these three things here, but that's the easiest way for me to get you that access without dealing with tech support. So, all right, have a good term.